Hello, friends. Welcome back to the English Conversation Podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. Today, we've got a fresh and fun topic for you, talking about the weather in English.
That's right. Weather is one of the most common and natural things to talk about in everyday conversations, especially in small talk. It's a great way to start a chat with anyone, whether it's a friend, a colleague, or even a stranger.
And no matter where you are in the world, the weather affects so much of our daily lives, our plans, our mood, and even what we wear. So learning to talk about the weather confidently is super useful.
In today's episode, we'll guide you through simple, practical phrases and expressions to describe all kinds of weather conditions. Plus, we'll teach you some fun idioms and cultural notes to make your English sound even more natural.
And, of course, we'll include plenty of opportunities for you to repeat and practice with us. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Remember, every effort you make brings you closer to fluency.
So, get comfortable. Maybe take a look outside your window, and let's dive into the wonderful world of weather in English. Ready?
Let's get started.
Let's start with some basic words to describe the weather. These are words you'll hear and use every day. Ready?
Here we go. The weather can be sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, snowy, hot, cold, humid, or stormy.
Great list. Now, let's try some example sentences with these words. Repeat after me. It's sunny today.
It's rainy this afternoon.
The sky is cloudy right now.
It's really windy outside.
Last week, it was snowy every day.
It's very hot in summer here.
The mornings are often cold in autumn.
It feels humid after the rain.
And finally, there was a storm last night.
All of these simple sentences help you describe the weather clearly. Why don't you try making your own sentence now? Pause the video for a moment if you want and say it out loud.
When you talk about the weather, you can also add how it affects you. For example, you can say, I love sunny days, or rainy weather makes me feel cozy.
Exactly. The weather is not just about nature. It also connects to our feelings and activities. That's what makes talking about it so interesting and useful.
Now that we know some common weather words, let's talk about how to describe weather conditions and how weather can make us feel.
Yes, talking about your feelings about the weather makes your conversation more natural and interesting. For example, you can say, I feel happy when it's sunny.
Or, the cold weather makes me want to stay indoors.
Here are more examples for you to repeat after us. It's too hot to go outside.
I love walking in the rain.
The wind is strong today. It makes my hair messy.
Good one! You can also talk about how weather affects your plans. For example, because it's raining, I'm staying home today.
Or, It's freezing outside, so I need to wear my warmest coat.
And here's a phrase you might hear. The weather is perfect for a picnic. That means the weather is just right, not too hot or cold.
Try saying these out loud. I feel relaxed when it's cloudy.
Sunny days make me feel energetic.
When it's stormy, I like to read books inside.
Remember, describing weather isn't just about facts. It's about sharing your experience. Try to add your feelings next time you talk about the weather. Now, let's practice how to use English to ask questions about the weather and make small talk. Asking and answering simple questions is a great way to start a conversation.
Absolutely. Here's some common questions you can use. What's the weather like today?
Or, did you hear the weather forecast?
And if you want to know about future weather, you can ask, is it supposed to rain later?
Let's try a short role play. I'll ask the questions and you can answer with me. Ready?
Sure, go ahead.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm. Perfect weather for a walk.
Did you hear the weather forecast for tomorrow?
Yes, they said it will be cloudy with a chance of rain.
Is it supposed to rain later?
Yes, the forecast says it might rain in the afternoon.
Great job! You can use these questions to start fun conversations with friends or coworkers.
Exactly. And don't forget, small talk about the weather is a friendly way to connect with people. It's simple, but important.
Try these questions with someone today. And remember, practice makes perfect. Now, let's move on to something fun, weather idioms and expressions. These are phrases that use weather words but have special, sometimes surprising meanings.
Yes, using idioms makes your English sound more natural and interesting. Let's start with under the weather. This means feeling sick or a little ill.
For example, you can say, I'm feeling under the weather today, so I'm staying home. Try saying that with me.
Another common one is raining cats and dogs. It means it's raining very heavily. Like, don't forget your umbrella. It's raining cats and dogs outside.
Here's a good one for starting conversations. Break the ice. It means to do or say something to help people feel more comfortable and begin talking.
And a hopeful phrase is, every cloud has a silver lining. It means there is a positive side to every problem or difficult situation.
Let's practice with some sentences. Repeat after us. I didn't go to work because I was feeling under the weather.
It's raining cats and dogs. The streets are flooding.
She told a joke to break the ice at the meeting.
Although I lost my job, I believe every cloud has a silver lining.
Idioms like these help you sound like a native speaker and make your English more colorful. Try to use one idiom in your next conversation about the weather. Next, let's explore how weather affects culture and daily life around the world. Weather is more than just temperature and rain. It shapes how people live and talk.
Exactly. For example, in some countries, The rainy season is very important. In places with monsoons, like India, people plan their entire year around the heavy rains.
In colder countries like Canada or Russia, people talk a lot about snow and winter. They have many words and phrases related to snow and ice.
In warm, sunny countries like Spain or Australia, people often talk about the heat and going to the beach. You might hear phrases like heat wave or scorching hot.
Also, different places sometimes use unique words for the same weather. For example, in the UK, people often say chilly breeze instead of just cold wind.
And in some countries, like Japan, the word for the rainy season is special. It's called tsuyu.
Isn't it interesting how weather connects language to culture? We'd love to hear from you. What weather words or expressions do you use in your country? Please share them in the comments below.
Remember, talking about the weather is a great way to learn about different cultures and connect with people from everywhere.
Before we finish, let's talk about the right mindset for learning and talking about English, especially when it comes to topics like weather.
Great point. Remember, learning a language is a journey, not a race. You don't have to be perfect every time. It's okay to make mistakes. They're just part of the growth.
Exactly. Think of your English learning like weather. Sometimes it's sunny and easy, and other times it's cloudy or rainy. But rain always passes and the sun comes back.
So, keep a positive attitude. Every time you practice, even if you feel a little nervous, that's progress. The more you speak, the more comfortable you'll become.
Also, don't compare yourself to others. Everyone has their own weather, their own pace and style. Focus on your journey and celebrate even small wins.
And remember, consistency is key. Even just a few minutes a day can make a big difference over time.
So stay motivated. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep speaking. You're already doing great.
Learning English is a lot like weather. Sometimes unpredictable, but always changing for the better. Keep moving forward, and you'll see the sunshine soon.
Now it's time to review and practice some of the key phrases and words we learned today about talking about the weather.
We'll say each phrase slowly, and you can repeat after us. Ready?
It's sunny today.
I love rainy days.
What's the weather like today?
It's raining cats and dogs.
I'm feeling under the weather.
Every cloud has a silver lining.
Great job. How do you feel saying these? Don't worry about perfect pronunciation. The most important thing is practicing.
Yes, try to use one or two of these phrases with your friends, family, or anyone you talk to today.
And remember, practicing often helps you remember and use new words better. So don't be shy. Speak out loud whenever you can.
If you have a favorite weather phrase or question from today's episode, please write it in the comments. We love hearing from you.
Thank you so much for joining us today on the English Conversation Podcast. We hope you enjoyed learning how to talk about the weather in English.
Remember, talking about the weather is a perfect way to practice your English every day and connect with others naturally.
If you liked this episode, please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and share it with your friends who want to improve their English.
And don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite weather phrase or question from today's lesson. We love reading your messages and helping you along your English journey.
Next time, we'll have more fun and useful conversations to help you speak English confidently.
So, until then, stay curious, keep practicing, and enjoy every step of your learning journey.
Thanks again for listening. See you very soon.